Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach. It's all good to see everyone.
Yeah.
We have just left the Prevost Stuff Show that took place in West Palm, and we had a great time. On this upcoming video, you'll see our marathon display, some fun things, and then a little bit of the teardown and the coaches leaving.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Kudos to Jamie Bradford, who pulls this show off. It's amazing.
Flawless.
Yeah, the work that goes into it, and then how quick it all comes apart and everyone's out of there. It's funny when the first engine flies that it goes pretty quick. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. We had a chance to meet a lot of people who watch our videos, which thank you for that. Also, we have some new marathon owners because of the show. We sold Coach 1201, the 2012 quad. So welcome to the family. And yeah, we're struggling for some inventory, but please reach out if you're looking for something. A lot of time the inventory doesn't make it to our website.
Yeah.
So if you can let Dawn or I know what you're looking for, we can email you or call you when it comes in and see if we can make you part of the marathon family. So keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.
Here we are, early morning. Excuse me. Wednesday. It's the first day that the doors are open at the Prevost Stuff Show. Again, we're in West Palm. This is our booth. They have not opened the doors yet, so this is a great time to just grab a few videos. Beautiful, beautiful. Coach 1131. Another coach here at the show. Coach 1201 quad slide. Just a little peek inside. It's beautiful. Waiting for a new owner. Here's a consigned coach we have. It's Coach 1034. I think we've done a video on this, Randy and I. Standing tall here at the West Palm Prevost Stuff Show.
Okay, here we go. Yep.
1, 2, 3. Whoa. 2 out of 4. There is Kevin. Woo! That's close. That is a close view. Let's just take a peek here. It's the end of the show. We've moved out 2 coaches. This is what it looks like. We still have to get the carpet up before we can take out the other 2.